Breaking news. It has been reported that the Consumer Reporting Agency have many of you in a chokehold by reporting inaccurate and incomplete information to your credit profile and continue to be a repeated offender in this act by reporting that the account came back verified. Head over to YouTube and learn how you can fight back using the FCRA in your credit repair process when these thugs damage your report with the unverifiable, inaccurate items to your credit report. It's time for you to fight back and gain the credit that you deserve. In this fight of preparation, you will be learning the compliance policy procedures under the Fair Credit Reporting Act that will get you the results that you deserve when it comes to keeping the credit reporting agency and consumer reporting agencies in compliance. In other news, there's also a premiere that's going to happen on December the 4th, 2024, that's going to give you additional resources and ways of how you too are able to use the Fair Credit Reporting Act to fight back and take down the consumer reporting agencies. This is Coach Lakeisha reporting live in our newsroom here at Lakeisha Gordon Enterprises. We'll see you over there on YouTube and also on December the 4th when we come back live on YouTube to give you additional information on how you're able to put these thugs back in place. Let's go.